Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to connect phone to laptop. Okay, for this first connect your phone and laptop to the same Wi-Fi network connection, whether it is Wi-Fi router or other mobile hotspot service. And guys, I would like to inform you there is no need of active internet plan for this method. Okay, so now in your laptop click on start and go to settings. In settings go to system. In system scroll down and go to projecting to this PC, and you can see some options are available there. Guys, if nothing is showing there, don't worry, click on the top right corner of this video and watch how to fix if projecting to this PC is disabled. After that, in the place of always off, select available everywhere, and in the place of every time a connection is requested, select first time only, and here in the place of always, select never and turn this off. Okay, now launch the wireless display app to project to this PC. Okay, now in your phone slide from top, and you can see in notification panel in quick settings here we have cast feature available. Tap on cast and you can see gadget lover 360 over there. You can see this is the mirror display. Tap on it. So you can see now your phone is successfully connected to laptop. Now you can share your phone screen on laptop. So guys, this is the method to connect phone to laptop easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.